Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, April 10, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, April 10, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 10, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, April 10, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for April 10, 2025, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, April 10, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.